Hello everyone. I'll start with my story. I have two sons, Luca and Rook. When they were little, they loved to play outside, but now when they're growing up, they want to spend more and more time in front of TV, computer screens, or on their iPads. Sometimes it actually seems to me that video games are more exciting for them than I am, which is pretty hard for me to understand since I'm a passionate sportsman and always on the move. What really started to worry me, though, was when I saw a lot of their friends who were overweight from sitting around all day and not moving. New statistics show that 1 in 5 children are classified as obese or overweight in the developed countries. As a parent, I felt I had to do something. It's often hard to balance work and family life, and it's not always easy to find the right way to negotiate with your kids for how long they can play video games, which video games can they play, how to get them to play outside, and so on and so on. Well, maybe we can't stop the kids from using modern technology, but can turn it to their advantage. Just imagine that we could take the video games outside and change the playgrounds that kids are used to. This is what we're doing at Moveo. We're taking the video game outside and creating a new era in the gaming industry. My name is Andrei Struin, the CEO, and with Moveo, I spend more quality time playing with my kids outside. Let's take a look how the kids enjoy to play. We have created the first outdoor interactive playground by taking smart sensors and connect them to a smartphone. Here you can see a simple example of a playground where children are running or jumping from one point to another and solving mind games in between. The options are limitless. You may be wondering what's so great about jumping from point A to point B. Well, maybe for you, the grown-ups, it's not so tempting, but kids love it. They love being able to run around outside and play video games at the same time. These playgrounds can be easily placed anywhere, in the city parks, home backyards, or school playground. If it's a permanent setup, then we place the sensors on the ground. But if it's a home setup, then a family places the sensors on their backyard every time they want to play. In our app, we have created a lovable character buddy who guides kids throughout the playground, showing them moves, giving them challenges like puzzles and riddles, and even teaching them new languages. Kids have to go outside and exercise because that's the only way they can collect points to unlock new levels and upgrade their avatar. We also wish to encourage children to play together, and that's why we will offer a multiplayer option. Our interactive playground serves as a game platform, and our buddy is just one of those games. Our goal is that other game developers will develop their own games for our platform. We already tested our demo product on around 80 children, and the majority of them loved the game so much that they played it 3 or more times in a row. We also received a positive feedback from the parents, where over 60% of them said they would like to have this product at home. We have a number of different potential clients that are interesting to us. Our first major client is Lidl, who would like us to create a mobile application for them to teach kids about healthy living using their own avatars Zdravko Lidl. We were also selected to be a part of the World Chicago Fellowship Program that will help us to scale up the business in the city of Chicago. We plan to sell our product on our own online store, but are already discussing for the distribution with one of the largest online retailers, NA, and consumer electronic retailers, Big Bang. Existing gaming consoles like Nintendo Wii provide a variety of games that encourage its kids to be active. But the problem is they don't leave the house. On the other hand, companies like Geopulse or Leapfrog get kids outdoors, but they use only activity trackers and are not a gaming platform. Moveo combines the best parts of all of them. We have a number of different revenue streams. In the public parks, we will build the playgrounds at our own expense so that people will be able to see how the game works. In-app purchase will enable them to buy the full version of the game for only €2.99. For a home use, we will sell 5 sensors in a box for €99, and we had also designed a bigger package of 20 sensors for €249 for private organizations such as kindergartens and summer schools. Users will be able to buy additional game content on the marketplace. Our sensors are called beacons, and they use standard Bluetooth Low Energy technology. Their range of proximity can be adjusted from half a meter up to 70 meters, what depends on the use case. Now we connect them to a smartphone, but in the future we are also considering about wearables. Our demo application was developed for Android devices, but we will also cover iOS and Microsoft platforms. Until now, we had made a proof of concept. Until the end of the year, we plan to finish the first functional game and then sign agreements with the game developers to develop their own games on our platform. In a year from now, we expect that first product will be shipped to the end consumers. There are 10 of us in our team, and we are all doing our best to make the best possible product. I'm covering sales and marketing, since I've gained valuable experience for working at PricewaterhouseCoopers and marketing agency Stop. Nastya is a psychology major with a great knowledge of kids' behavior. She's young, enthusiastic, and wishes that a day would have more than 24 hours. She's responsible for the product management. Jože is our connection between business and technology and has more than 10 years of experience working in the retail industry for companies like Tush, Harvey Norman, and Baby Center. And Tilen has a strong startup background, and for example, he established one of the largest software development companies in Slovenia, D-Labs. We also have great mentors that will make sure that we make a great game, achieve global marketing, and needed retail expansion. We are raising €300,000, and in the last 3 months, we had already raised $90,000. We need additional funds to make the first functional game, to create a brand, and establish sales and marketing operations. So to sum up, our goal is to use technology that will benefit children and get them active. And for that, we need a partner for a global expansion. Thank you.